YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another What's in the Box for you guys on Hayward's 808 four-wheel conversion kit. So this will actually do a full rebuild kit for your four-wheel pool vernugan or the pool cleaner, whichever four-wheel one that you guys actually have. This is the actual complete rebuild kit. So I'm going to actually rip into this and show you guys what to expect. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, we've got a What's in the Box for you on Hayward's 808 kit. That's what we like to call it. It's meant for their four-wheel cleaners, whether it's the pool vernugan four-wheel or the pool cleaner four-wheel. This is a complete rebuild kit. So the part number you're going to look at is PVGXH808 kit. So that's normally why we only call it the 808 kit. Hayward throws a lot of different letters ahead of a lot of their SKUs, so just making it easier for you guys to be able to look. If you guys actually search 808 kit on the website, you guys can actually find it just the same. So they do make a two-wheel conversion kit, but this is going to be the four-wheel conversion kit. So stay tuned, we'll do a two-wheel conversion kit once we get some more in stock. So let's dive in here and show you guys what to expect on what comes in this. Again, it's going to be a full rebuild. It's going to be basically a full lower housing for your four-wheel cleaner, so it's really nice. So instead of having to buy all the individual parts that you guys will see, it's all put together already for you guys, which is really, really nice. The wheels are already attached, the frame is already here. Basically all you're going to need to do is throw on some new wheels, some tires, as well as throwing the top on so that it'll actually complete it all down for you guys. But pretty much it's almost a complete unit, which is really, really nice. The fact that they throw everything all in once for you guys. So again, you don't have to rebuild this yourself, because it can be a little bit of a nightmare when you're dealing with setting all these gears and putting all the turbines, as well as this main center turbine. If you guys have dealt with those in the past, the pieces slide out, so they actually already rubber band them so that they don't really transfer side to side for you. So obviously you're going to want to cut the rubber band before you put everything back in. But really cool. The other thing they give you here is it looks like they give you different throw options for the bottom of the cleaner. So for those of you guys that aren't familiar with that, the throw options are meant based off of the size of debris that you guys actually have in your pool. So it'll already come standard with the medium size. Looks like they throw a large and a small in the bag for you guys. So if you're going for those bigger pieces of your palm tree or you're dealing with bigger debris, obviously you're going to want to throw in the large one. It just opens up this bottom orifice here so that as you're actually sucking in the debris from the bottom of the floor, it just allows it to fit through this orifice. So again, they give you a large and a small. You typically will want to put a small if you're dealing with much finer debris, sand, little pieces of grit and dirt, just because it will reduce the suction down to that smaller orifice, which will allow the suction to actually pull all those pieces in. Where if you throw a large in, even though it is smaller pieces of debris, it may not get enough suction to actually pull those in and send them to your filter. So definitely want to read up on that. They do throw the little instruction guide in here. Like I said, this is pretty much a completely working unit for you guys. So really all you got to do is throw new tires on it and throw a new lid on, and this thing goes right back into the pool and it's ready to go. So just wanted to show you guys what to expect. We should be getting a lot more of these in at the beginning of the year for you guys, depending on when you guys are actually watching this. So again, check out the links in the description. It'll take you directly to the product so you guys can check it out. See all of the parts that are actually included so that you guys know what to expect and how much money you're actually saving buying a full kit compared to having to buy all the individual parts. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. We'll have a ton more videos coming your way. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.